Hello there, I am Ben. Let me introduce you to Synsoft Global as an end-to-end solution provider for all your IT needs. Ever since we began our journey in 2009, we have seamlessly evolved in the software service industry and have offices around the world. Our team of 70-plus IT experts working in several technology stacks provide competitive solutions in web, mobile, and the blockchain. The technology landscape is changing ever so rapidly, and we are surrounded by millions of digital transactions. The revolutionary new blockchain technology is here to disrupt the way transactions worked hitherto, therefore disrupting several sectors. The biggest barrier to the latest technology revolution is understanding where to start. It is critical to explore how these revolutionary technologies can enhance your business and position you more competitively in your industry. Synsoft services in the blockchain technology can navigate your business from concept to realization, utilizing its collaborative network of technology partners that are focused on establishing real-world business solutions. Our capabilities: end-to-end blockchain and cryptocurrency solutions. Our panel of blockchain experts excelling in multiple blockchain platforms like Bitcoin, Stellar, Ethereum, EOS, Steem, Hyperledger Fabric. Allow me to take you through some of our blockchain work. Bitvestor. We developed an ICO over Ethereum blockchain using Solidity, which include smart contracts, token creation, and crypto wallets. The Daycare app on the Stellar blockchain, a universal childcare platform which makes childcare more transparent, open, connected, flexible, and easy. Minimum Vote Quiz D app on the Ethereum blockchain, an interesting game of voting where user pays Ether to play. Some case studies on various blockchain platforms: Hyperledger Fabric, EOS, Steem, BigChain DB. Those were a few glimpses into Synsoft's blockchain journey. Blockchain is seen as an agent of disruption across diverse industries, by virtue of which it has the potential to convert into an opportunity for all far thinkers. Planning to enter the blockchain? Well, our experts can help you. Or, if you are inquisitive to know whether the blockchain can be disruptive in your business, let's talk.